Hello, sup, welcome to my first yet Rubik's Cube video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So let's start with this video. So we scrambled the cube and now let's start solving it. So step 1 would be solving the white side, and also opposite of white will always be yellow, even though there is not yellow here. Opposite of blue will always be green, and opposite of orange will always be red. So this is not visible on the 2x2 when it's not solved because it doesn't have centers like the 3x3. But anyways, now we can get to solving. So let's get back to step 1. First, we will need to build the white side. So we will do this by finding one white square and finding another white square. And now we can just simply put them together. So now we will find another white square, which in this case is right here. So what will we do to put it up here? Well, we will turn it down so it's in the bottom layer, and then we can fairly simply just rotate it the other side and put it up. So now we need one more cube, which is this white cube, and we're going to put it up here in this blue cube spot. So to do this, I will do the following. I will move this cube out of the way, then I will bring this down on this side and insert this next to this cube, and we can now have the full white side. So if it's not clear, I'll make another video on how to solve the white side. But anyways, now to solve the top layer. This is a very simple algorithm, so all you gotta do is follow these steps. So you want to look around the top layer, and if you find two cubes, one next to another, that are the same exact color, as I have here, it's blue next to blue, you want to turn that away from you. And on this side, you will do the following. So, right counterclockwise, or to you, then bottom clockwise, then right clockwise, then left counterclockwise, then bottom counterclockwise, and then left clockwise, right counterclockwise, and then bottom clockwise. And for the final move, you want to move the right clockwise. And now you should have the first layer completed. Now let's jump onto the yellow side. Before we move on to the yellow side, I will show you a few other cases to solve this second layer, or the first layer. So I'm gonna get those cases and show you. I showed you my case, which was with one side completed. You just turn it away from you and just do the following algorithm. So now for the other cases. So now another one of these cases is where you have no of the same cubes on nor of the sides. So here you will just have to do the same algorithm twice. So again, do the algorithm, you can rewind, but I'm just going to do it slowly for you. So, our right counterclockwise, bottom, this is the bottom layer. You want to turn the bottom layer clockwise, then right counterclockwise, clockwise. Then you want to do the left counterclockwise, then bottom counterclockwise, then left side clockwise, then right side counterclockwise, bottom clockwise, and right clockwise. So now you'll have one side solved and none of the other. And now you just want to turn this side away from you, as I showed you in the previous example, and do the same algorithm again. So there you will have the side solved. And in other cases where you will have all of this solved when you solve the white side. So now we can move on to solving the yellow side on the bottom of the cube. So in order to solve the yellow side, if you have one yellow piece in any of these spots, you want to move it to the bottom left corner. And then you want to do the following algorithm. So, right side clockwise, then top layer clockwise, then anyways, I've just messed up. So you want to turn over the yellow side, and if you have two cubes, then you want to turn them to the side to the right side, and you want to do the following algorithm, as I was saying. So right side clockwise, then you want to turn top clockwise, then right side counterclockwise, then top clockwise again, and then you want to turn the right side clockwise, and then top twice, and then you want to turn the right side counterclockwise. And you want to do this a few times until you have the yellow side solved. So again, doing the same algorithm, putting the one square in the bottom left. Same algorithm again, slowly doing it for you. Then twice, remember that. And then just fix up the white. So now we put this again bottom left and do the same algorithm again. And then your yellow side should be solved. Maybe not this exact move, but in the next few it should be. And keep in mind, if you have just two of them, make sure you go forward with two of them and don't place one in the bottom corner. Just keep that in mind. It's very important. So now that we solved the white side, the yellow side, and the, well, right now, bottom layer, we want to see if we have any matching sides over here, which we do. So now we have 3 sides done, and we have these 2 cubes which we need to swap. So there is two possibilities that could happen right here. So either you're going to have one side that is going to be solvable just by doing, for example, this, or you're not going to have any. So if you have one, then you want to connect it and take this side where you have these 2 cubes that aren't placed correctly and place towards you. So now to fix this, what we are going to do is the following algorithm. So right counterclockwise, then front or face clockwise, then right counterclockwise, and then back twice, doesn't matter in which direction, and then right clockwise, then face counterclockwise, and then we will put right clockwise, and then you fixed yellow. So now you will see we ruined all these sides, and what you have to do is double turn, double back, then you want to double right, and then double back again, and now this should solve your Rubik's Cube, and you successfully solved it. Now let's go over the second possibility. So here's the second case. which can happen is that you don't have any matching sides, and if you have this case, then what you're simply going to have to do is the following. So turn any side you like, not yellow or white, just any of these, and do the same algorithm I showed you earlier. So you want to do right counterclockwise, face clockwise, right counterclockwise, back twice, then right clockwise, then face counterclockwise, then right clockwise again, and then back twice, left twice, and then back twice. And once you've done that, you will get one side. Maybe it's going to be like this, and you just have to connect it. And now you do the same exact with the other step. Turn this solid side away from you, and you want to do it with these two cubes. Now we gotta swap them, so we will do this fairly simply. Just do the same exact algorithm I showed you earlier. And your cube will be solved. Hope you enjoyed this video. It shows you how to solve the 2x2. Feel free to show this to your friends. Whatever you want to do with this video, just don't steal it, as I hate video stealers. But anyways, this is the beginner's method for solving the Rubik's Cube, and you can solve it in under 40 seconds using this method right here. It is pretty fast. I could show you right now, which I will. I'm just going to mix it up real quick. So here it's mixed up. Now I'm going to start solving it in under 40 seconds. You can just watch me do this. And boom, we solved the Rubik's Cube. Just like that, maybe under 40 seconds, maybe about 30 seconds, I didn't really count. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this method. Yeah, see you guys and gals. Peace.